Welcome to Guide Up. Today I'm going to guide you on how to wish birthday on Facebook timeline. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged into your account. Now, for example, we have a birthday of one of our Facebook friend. You can either search them at the search bar at the top right corner, or you can search them from your friend list. After searching your friend, all you have to do is tap on their profile. Now what you have to do is tap on the option write post. You can also post your photos or videos if you want, or to simply write down a happy birthday, you can simply tap on here and write them a message of happy birthday. You can also post the photo if you want. Likewise, you can also tag them. After you are done going through everything, all you have to do is tap on post, which is at the top right corner. You can now see that a happy birthday wish has been posted in their timeline. And this is how you wish a birthday on Facebook timeline. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.